Hi everyone, my name is Elin McKee. Here's a little bit about me. I am studying elementary education with an endorsement in language arts. I recently learned that emphasis is not the right word, so endorsement is the right word. Okay. So one thing about me is that I'm super tight with my family. I love them so much. We have a lot of pets in my house, and I'm just very close to all of my siblings, and I'm very blessed to have such an amazing family in my life who do a lot for me. Yeah. And I'm from Las Vegas, Nevada. It's the best city in the world. The desert, in my opinion, is the best, most beautiful landscape there is. We recently got an NHL hockey team, and that has been like the funnest thing in the world. I love watching our hockey team win, and I love the city, and I just love the sense of community that I feel when I'm home, and I hope I can stay in Las Vegas forever. And then something cool about me is that I actually went and lived in China for a few months last year through ILP. I was out there teaching English for about 4 months. And I lived in Suzhou. And I taught a bunch of first graders, and they were the coolest kids in the world. I was able to travel all over the country and camped on the Great Wall, and I saw the Terracotta Warriors, and she went to Shanghai Disneyland and all the cool things that you can do out there. But if I'm being honest, the best part about it was my students. And how could they not be?
Elin is my favorite teacher ever! Yeah.
That's right. So I just have a real deep passion for teaching, and I'm excited to learn how to be a better teacher in this class. Just teaching how to have my students be more accepting and loving, and that's one thing that I look forward to with this class, and one thing that I hope to get out of this class. My Gregoric learning style is mostly concrete sequential, which does not surprise me at all because I'm a very organized person, and I like to plan, which isn't a bad thing, but I can also plan something really quickly and be creative with it if I need to, which is expressed in my second highest, which is abstract random. But yeah, that's me. I'm excited to get to know the rest of you throughout the semester, and I hope we can all have a good, successful semester. Okay, bye.